like magic, be like fire.
When danger strikes in the wild, the right tools can save your life. Whether you're hiking, camping, or facing a sudden emergency, survival gadgets like fire starters, water filters, and multi-tools are essential. Here's a look at the must-have gear every adventurer should carry. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 20. VSSL Mini Camp Supplies. This survival kit is built for tough outdoor situations. It's small, lightweight, and packed with over 70 important tools for both survival and first aid. Everything is stored in a strong military-grade aluminum case. Whether you get injured by a fall, cuts, or burns, this kit has what you need to stay safe. The layout is simple, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. If you're going into the wild, this kit helps you stay ready for anything. Number 19. Gerber Gear Stakeout Spark. Slim, lightweight, and built for the outdoors, this multi-tool packs 10 essential functions into a strong stainless steel body. It includes a knife, saw, bottle opener, tent stake puller, and a fire starter striker, all in one compact tool. Just over 4.5 inches when closed and weighing a little over 3 ounces, it clips easily to your bag or belt with a carabiner. A smart, space-saving tool for camping, hiking, fishing, or keeping in your glove box or toolbox. Number 18. Waterdrop Gravity Water Filter. Straw. Clean drinking water is a top priority in any outdoor or emergency situation, and a portable filter like this one makes it easy. Using a 5-stage system, it removes dirt, sand, chlorine, and other harmful particles. The included gravity-fed water bag holds up to 1.5 gallons, giving you plenty of hydration for the day. Easy to use and highly effective, the straw connects directly to water bags or bottles, making it a smart addition to any survival kit. Number 17. RoverTac Hatchet. Built for tough outdoor tasks, this compact multi-tool handles chopping wood, starting fires, opening bottles, and making quick repairs. It includes an axe, saw, hammer, knife, can opener, fish scaler, flat screwdriver, and hex wrenches, all crafted from stainless steel with a black oxide finish for extra durability. The sharp blades make cutting and sawing simple, while the built-in fire starter and emergency whistle add extra safety. A reliable tool to keep you ready in survival situations or remote adventures. Number 16. WaterLight. A regular flashlight may not always be enough for long trips, especially when you're off the grid. Powered by saltwater, this innovative lamp offers up to 45 days of light from just half a liter without needing a recharge. It also charges your gadgets, making it perfect for camping, emergencies, or remote travel. With a lifespan of about 5,600 hours, it's a great example of clean, renewable energy, ensuring you're always prepared in tough situations. Number 15. Fire Starter Kit. One of the best survival gadgets to have is this all-in-one fire starter kit. It's super easy to use with its curved striker and waterproof wick, so you can light a fire fast, even in wind or rain. You get hours of burn time and thousands of sparks. Plus, it still works after getting wet. Perfect for camping, hiking, or any emergency when you need reliable fire on the go. Definitely a must-have for your survival gear. Number 14. SOF Tourniquet. A tourniquet is essential for controlling severe limb bleeding in emergencies. Featuring a built-in slack indicator, it ensures proper tightening and quick use with one hand. Made from durable webbing, it's easy to apply when every second counts. For arm injuries, place it 3 inches above the wound and tighten until bleeding stops. For leg injuries, secure the strap below the natural curve and adjust the tension. It can also help slow venom spread in snake bites by restricting circulation. Number 13. Real Avid Gun Tool. A compact multi-tool is essential for anyone who spends time at the range or hunting. It includes everything needed for firearm maintenance, such as hex drivers, a scope adjustment blade, choke tube wrench, Phillips and flat bits, and a sharp pocket knife. Designed for quick fixes in the field, it's made from durable stainless steel with grippy side plates for easy handling. Lightweight and portable, it eliminates the need to carry a bulky box of loose tools, keeping you prepared and organized. Number 12. Solar Charger. A portable charger with a 10,000 mAh capacity ensures you stay powered up in any situation. It quickly charges devices like smartphones and tablets through USB-C or wireless charging. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and features dual flashlights and a solar panel, making it perfect for camping or emergencies. Designed to endure tough conditions, it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, making it an essential tool for staying connected in the wild. Number 11. Teren Campfire Puffy Jacket. A durable jacket is essential for tough outdoor situations, offering protection from thorns, water, rocks, and campfire sparks. Unlike regular jackets that tear easily, it's made for rough environments. The updated version is significantly softer and more comfortable, providing a better fit. With 6 pockets to carry your gear without added bulk and soft micro-fleece lining in the pockets to keep your hands warm, it's the perfect gear for any adventure. Number 10. RecPak. For those who hike, work in rescue, or prepare for emergencies, a compact meal pouch is an essential addition. Weighing only 190 grams, it provides 700 calories and 42 grams of protein per serving. Just add 350 milliliters of water, and within minutes, you have a ready-to-eat, energy-boosting meal, made with over 12 natural ingredients, including whole-grain oat flour. It offers 25% of your daily vitamins and minerals in flavors like coffee and strawberry, making it both nutritious and enjoyable. Number 9. Mossy Oak. For tough outdoor conditions, a 15-inch survival knife is an essential tool. With a sharp stainless steel blade that retains its edge and resists rust, it's perfect for camping, bushcraft, and survival. The 10-inch blade ensures precision, while the rubber handle offers a comfortable, secure grip. It includes a heavy-duty nylon sheath for safe storage, plus a fire starter and sharpener to keep you prepared for any challenge in the wild. Number 8. Yootom Origin 800. A modular energy system offers flexibility for powering your devices in emergencies. It features cylinder blocks that can be used together or separately, with each block acting as an 86.4 watt-hour power bank. The base provides various outlets, including USB-A and 220-volt connections. Built-in safety features protect against overload, short circuits, overheating, and undervoltage. The set includes a base and 4 units, making it an ideal, versatile solution for your power needs in the wild or during emergencies. Number 7. Survival Umbrella. A tactical umbrella offers both weather protection and self-defense. Made from unbreakable fiberglass, it's built to withstand harsh winds, rain, and snow without folding. The reinforced carbide tip enables defensive strikes when necessary, making it ideal for unexpected threats. Lightweight and easy to carry, it blends into urban environments while providing a solid grip and reach. Perfect for anyone traveling, commuting, or on a mission, this tool keeps you protected from the elements and ready to respond in any situation. Number 6. DIBBATU Fireproof Cloak. An oversized safety cloak made from strong fiberglass and silicone provides protection from heat during fire emergencies. Measuring 72 by 70 inches, it offers full-body coverage and can be used as a protective blanket. Resistant to temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it helps minimize injury in dangerous situations. Reflective stripes improve visibility in low light, aiding nighttime rescues. Foldable and easy to store, it remains effective as long as it is kept intact, offering long-term protection. Number 5. aiGear Premium Stick. For serious trekkers, trekking poles made from 6060 T6 aluminum alloy, the same material used in aerospace, offer both durability and versatility. These poles aren't just for hiking, they're strong enough for self-defense. Each section features a hidden tool like a saw, knife, or fire starter. You can add more modules as needed, allowing you to expand your survival kit on the go, making them a must-have for any outdoor adventure or emergency situation. Number 4. Tactical First Aid. A tactical medical kit is essential for fast response in high-stress situations, whether you're in the field, on the road, or during outdoor missions. Packed with everything from basic wound care to advanced zip stitch closures for deep cuts, it's perfect for emergencies when medical help isn't nearby. Compact and rugged, it's ideal for survivalists, operators, or anyone needing a reliable trauma solution. Easily integrated into your gear, go bag, or vehicle kit, it ensures you're always prepared for unpredictable situations. Number 3. RHINO Rescue Survival. In survival situations, a complete survival system can be more valuable than just a first aid kit. A 3-in-1 tactical backpack offers everything needed to survive for 72 hours. It's waterproof and fire-resistant, with gear organized for easy access, including a multifunction device that combines a phone charger, emergency radio, and flashlight powered by hand crank or solar energy. Also included are a stainless steel water flask, a first aid kit, and cold weather gear, all stored in weather-sealed compartments to keep essentials protected. Number 2. Thyrm CellVault. A compact, durable storage case keeps rechargeable batteries safe and organized in tough conditions. It protects against environmental factors, ensuring your batteries stay dry and secure. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, or anyone who depends on rechargeable power sources, the case allows for easy access when needed. Its rugged construction prevents impact damage, and its portable design fits easily in your backpack, emergency kit, or gear bag, keeping your batteries ready for use no matter where you are. Number 1. MOLLE Plus Life Vest. In disaster-prone areas, like those affected by hurricanes or earthquakes, a life jacket designed for extreme conditions is essential. With a buoyancy of 36 kilograms, it remains lightweight at just 1.6 kilograms, offering reliable protection. Built with military-grade durability, it can handle tough environments. Integrated mounts allow you to attach essential gear during a crisis. Whether you're caught in floodwaters or the aftermath of an earthquake, this life jacket ensures you stay safe and protected when it matters most. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.